Every second of every day of your life, you have been under surveillance. Have that be through convenience store cameras, traffic lights, or even your own smartphone. But there's one form of surveillance that has eluded you for years. The cameras that are everywhere. The cameras that follow you. The eye in the sky. Birds. Within the past few years, the United States government has used planes to crop dust, using chemicals that were lethal to birds. Now, our skies are filled with over 45 million drones watching our every move, disguised as birds. Seagulls will try to steal your food, to take to the Pentagon to harvest your DNA and possibly even clone you. Geese will try to scare you away just to keep their uploading ports safe. And pigeons will stand on power lines just so they can charge their batteries. During the winter, birds are said to migrate. What they are really doing is getting new software updates, improved programming, and upgraded batteries. And why do these birds want to watch us? 2 words. Mass control. Without us even knowing it.